you can create down-to-the-minute timers on Zendesk tickets to facilitate just about any time-based use case you can think of. Whether it's measuring and enforcing SLAs or OLAs, or creating workflows around deadlines, reminders, or follow-ups, this app has got you covered. Getting a timer on a ticket is easy. You can either have them automatically added based on ticket conditions, for example when a ticket is created, or they can be added manually by selecting them from a list. For each type of timer, custom actions can be set to take place, like if an SLA timer is stopped before or after ending, add a tag. Or, say if a follow-up timer ends, reopen the ticket and post a comment. The app also integrates deeply with Zendesk, meaning that data like the elapsed time can be fed into invisible numeric fields, which makes it a cinch to blast out reports on anything over in Explore. So, if you have a workflow that involves time, look no further than Sweethawk's Timers for Zendesk. Or get it as part of our full set of apps by installing the Sweethawk Super Suite and dial your Zendesk up to incredible.